11, 28 to 32. By faith, he kept the Passover and the sprinkling blood of the sprinkling blood, so that the destroyer of the firstborn would not touch the firstborn of Israel. By faith, the people passed through the Red Sea as undried land, but when the Egyptians tried to do so, they were drowned. By faith, the wall of Jericho fell after the people had marched after 7 days, around them for 7 days. By faith, prostitute Rahab, because she welcomed the spies, was not hit with those were disobedient. And what more shall I say? I do not have time to tell you about Gideon, Barak, Jephthah, Samson, David, and the prophets. Psalms 1 to 5. Blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the wicked, nor stand in the way of sinners, nor sit in the seat of mockers. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law he meditates day and night. He is like the tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruits in season, and whose leaf does not prosper. Whatever she does prosper. Not so the wicked will not is like a chaff that the wind blows away. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinner in the assembly of righteous. For the Lord watches over the way of the sinners, but the way of the wicked will perish. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not in your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. 1 Corinthians 10:13. No temptation has seized you except what is common to men, and God is faithful. He will not be tempted beyond what you can bear. But if you are tempted, He will also provide a way out so that you can stand up under it. 1 John 1:9. If we confess our sin, He is faithful and just, and He will purify us from all unrighteousness. Matthew 5:3 to 12. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are the who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will show mercy. Blessed are the pure in hearts, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemaker, for they will be called son of God. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you because of righteousness, for theirs the kingdom of God, of heaven. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evils against you because of me. Rejoice and be glad, for rejoice and be glad, for great is your reward in heaven. For in the same way they persecuted the prophets who were before you. Thank you.